The Infinix Note 50 is an upcoming budget-friendly smartphone that blends functionality with an attractive design. It is expected to continue the Note series tradition of offering large displays, impressive battery life, and decent performance at an affordable price. The device will likely feature a large Full HD Plus display, possibly around 6.8 inches or more, providing an immersive viewing experience for watching videos or playing games. Under the hood, it will likely be powered by a MediaTek chipset, providing a good balance of performance for everyday tasks, including browsing, social media, and light gaming. Additionally, the phone is expected to come with a generous RAM and storage configuration, with the ability to expand storage via a microSD card. A key selling point will be its large battery capacity, rumored to be around 5,000 mAh or more, enabling users to go through a full day of heavy usage without needing to recharge. The camera setup will feature a multi-lens system, with an emphasis on AI capabilities to improve the quality of photos and videos. While the Infinix Note 50 will offer solid performance, it will not necessarily compete with premium flagship models in terms of high-end features. Instead, it is aimed at consumers looking for a budget phone with good specs for daily use. Infinix is likely to make the device more attractive with a sleek design, multiple color options, and software enhancements such as its XOS skin, which offers a unique user interface and features. Overall, the Infinix Note 50 seems set to be a solid, affordable choice in the mid-range segment, offering good value for money.